couple scratches on my back, but you couldn't tell you were smoking crack. Funny how lies get around when you act a fool in this here town. Sex and your drugs can't save you now, and I'm not falling for your pity. I see the flames in my rearview mirror as I burn you down in this city. I woke up, I took a look around, said I'm burning down this city, girl. I woke up, I took a look around, said I'm burning down this city. Alright, this is the last time we see the inside of the Camry. You see how far up the column smashed in here, and this whole side of the dashboard is pulled completely this way, well up past the door, and you can see where the roof buckled here. The whole center console is smashed over to the side. It's still in drive. You see just everything's disaligned and fucked up. I don't know if y'all can tell how fucked up it is from here. It is messed up so bad. This is it. Got my stuff here. Y'all seen this?